Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing my new pressure cooker. Thank you to the company for sending me this so I could go ahead and unbox it, give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so it looks like everything we need is inside of the box just like this. So it looks like this is the bottom part. So inside of your pressure cooker, you will get your user manual. So if in case you're new to using a pressure cooker like I am, I had an electric one, but now I have this stovetop one. So I'm definitely going to be using the user manual just to see the timing and how long I'm supposed to leave specific foods. The reason why this pressure cooker is a 3-in-1 pressure cooker is because you could use it as a steamer, you can make sauces, you can make stews, or you could use it as a pressure cooker. Gives you some tips before you use it. They did include this little sponge, however, it is not in English, so I really don't know what it says, but if I'm only assuming, I think it's like a little sponge to go ahead and clean it. So that's pretty interesting that that's included. Now it looks like the top is right here, so let me take that out. Okay, so it looks like different lids are included in your pressure cooker. So if you are going to be using this pot as a pressure cooker, you'll be using this lid. As you can see, it has the seal right here on the edges. So it's going to go ahead and secure it to ensure that all the pressure is inside. It does have 3 levels of regulation right here. So as you can see, you could actually move this knob right here. This is where you're going to go ahead and tighten or release it. So let me just show you. Right now it is open, and once you twist it, it's going to go ahead and lock and seal it into place. You can see, lock and release. It does also have the glass lid. Like I mentioned, this could be used as a pressure cooker or to heat up some sauces or anything like that. So you could go ahead and use this one also if you're using it as a steamer. Now for this lid I just showed you, the knob is included, so you want to go ahead and tighten it right there on the top piece. And then here's the little grid for your steamer. Now let me show you the pot. So this is a stainless steel pot. Take a look. It's actually a very, very good size. I got this one in 10 quarts, but 8 quarts and 12 quarts are also available. Before you use it, you do want to make sure that you do remove any plastics or anything like that before putting it to use. And of course, you always want to make sure you do rinse your product before you use it. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I went ahead and rinsed it out. As I was rinsing it out, I did want to point out something on the inside here. It does have the markings. So it has max, 2/3, half, and minimum 1/4. Let me go ahead and give you a closer look. So this is the inside of the pot. As you can see, max, 2/3, half, and minimum 1/4. All right, so I have the lid on there. I'm going to go ahead and lock it into place just to show you. So you can see it is locked into place. I do want to mention that this pressure cooker could actually be used in multiple types of stoves like electric, range, gas, and induction. All right, yeah, so we got the stovetop on. I'm actually going to go ahead and add the pressure cooker up here. Went ahead and put some meat in there. So you can see it's nice and prepped. It's ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and add the lid now. So I'm placing the lid on here. Okay, so you want to make sure you expand it. As you can see, it is open, and you want to make sure you lock that into place. All right, it looks like what we were cooking is done. So let me go ahead and open it up. Let's take a look. You do want to be careful when removing the lid. All right, so there it is. It cooked the meat. Now we're ready to make some tacos. So overall, if you're looking for a new pressure cooker, then I'd highly recommend you check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.